learning the alphabet, now it's time to learn the Spanish numbers or números. By the end of this video, you will be able to tell your phone number, your complete email address and the time too. So let's get right into it. First, we will start with numbers from 0 to 15. Repeat after me. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So now we will move on to numbers from 16 to 19 because we're going to add a prefix, diez. So pay attention. Diez, seis. Diez, siete. Diez, ocho. Diez, nueve. Did you notice that it sounded like 10? That's because we are adding 10 and the number. So that's why we use the prefix diez. After 19 comes 20, which is 20. But from 21 to 29, we will use the prefix 20. So pay attention. 22 would be 22. 25 would be 25. Did you catch that? Perfect. After 29 comes 30, which is 30. So from 30 onwards, 30 onwards, we will add another letter, which is Y, and it is pronounced as E, and it means and. So repeat after me. 31 would be 31, which means 30 and 1. 35 would be 35 or 30 and 5. That's how you say numbers in Spanish. From now on till 100, you will use this pattern. So I will tell you the multiples now. 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90 and 100 is 100. So before 100 till 99, you will say 99, which is 99. So there you have it. Wasn't that easy to say all these numbers? After learning the numbers, let's learn how to say time in Spanish. But first, you need to know how to ask the question, what time it is in Spanish. So the question is, ¿Qué hora es? So now that you know the question, let's learn how to say each part. First, we will start with o'clock. So o'clock is en punto. Repeat after me. It's 1 o'clock. Es la una en punto. So after o'clock, you need to know how to say the minutes. And for minutes, you will again add the letter Y, which means and in Spanish. So repeat after me. It's 1:10. Es la 1:10. After the minutes, we will learn how to say quarter past. So quarter past is y cuarto. So repeat after me. It's 1:15. Es la 1:15. Then comes half past. It's 1:30. It would be es la 1:30. So half past is media in Spanish. After half past, we will learn to say quarter to. Now pay attention. As in English, you use it's quarter to 2, which means 15 minutes are left to 2. In Spanish, you do the same. So, 1:45 would be son las 2 menos cuarto. And finally, after 1 comes 2. So, 2 would be son las 2 and not es las 2. Why, you say? That's because everything that comes before 1 and after 1 is considered plural. So, we use son instead of es. Now, let's learn how to say each part of the day. Because to tell time in Spanish, it is essential. So, morning would be from 5 a.m. to 12 p.m. and you would say de la mañana. Afternoon and evening would be from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. and you would say de la tarde. From 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. would be night. So you would say de la noche. From 12 a.m. to 5 a.m. it would be de la madrugada. So whenever you have to tell time, for example, you have to say 5 o'clock in the morning. So in English, you say 5 a.m. and you understand. But in Spanish, you will have to say son las 5 de la mañana. And if it's 5 p.m., you have to say son las 5 de la tarde. Another important point is 12 o'clock. So, like in English, you have 12 p.m. as noon. In Spanish, it is mediodía. And 12 a.m., which is midnight in English, is medianoche. So, that's all for this video. I hope you're going to practice and master the Spanish numbers. Check our description box for reference material of this topic and for exercises. Ciao!